Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 205 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove things like screen lock, so if you have one that you don't know, I can get rid of it this way. Now unfortunately you will also get rid of everything else on the phone, like contacts, photos, videos and all that stuff. And one more thing to mention, if you have a Google account signed into this phone like I do, I'll quickly show you. So under accounts, you can see I do have a Google account sign in. So when I perform this, in order to get rid of the screen lock, meaning when the device is locked obviously, the device will become FRP locked, so later on after the actual reset is finished, you'll need to verify throughout the setup process either the previously set up protection, which in this case is a pattern, or by just signing into the Google account that was previously logged in to this phone. Now, for the people that are wondering, I will also be making a video on how you can how to bypass this, so you can just completely get rid of this without actually verifying anything, but that will be in a separate video. So now get going with this one. You can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So hold power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up. Now after a couple seconds you should see the TCL logo on the screen. There we go. So keep holding for a couple more seconds and then let go of the keys. Now once you see the recovery mode, you will want to use the volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, select factory data reset, again confirm with that. At the bottom you'll see data wipe or wiping data, and then data wipe complete should be, I think that finishes it off. There we go. Took a little bit longer than it normally does, but once it's finished, as you can see, data wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again to confirm that option, and this will continue the process in the background. So the device might be booting up a little bit longer than you might be used to. That's completely fine. Once the actual thing has been finished, the factory reset that is happening in the background, you'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And you can see the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.